It is a sunny, blue day on the island of Sodor, and the engines was just doing their work. Express coming through. Nia was very excited today. She get to work with her 3 narrow gauge friends. Hello, hello. Hi, Nia. Sir Topham Hatt told me to come here and work with you 3. Isn't that fun? Yes, it is. Okay, I have a great idea. We're gonna do our jobs first, and then after that, we get to have some fun. How's that? Oh, that's very fun, Nia. We will love that. But what can we do? We can play together. Oh yeah, like playing fun games. Did you hear that, Grandpuff? What? Yes, I did hear that. I love playing games. So the little engines started their work. They were very happy. And they didn't cause any confusion and delay. That day, Nia was chuffing towards the steelworks. She had a steelworks delivery. Then, she had to come to a stop. Hello there. Who are you? My name is Nia. What's your name? My name is Elizabeth. I am a quarry truck. You look very nice, Elizabeth. Why, thank you. You're such a sweet engine. Wow, your loads looks a bit heavy back there. Are you sure you can puff with that heavy load? I'm sure. If I need any help, I can ask my narrow gauge friends. Oh, well, it's nice meeting you. You best to get on before you be late. And Sir Topham Hatt won't really be pleased with that. You're right. I best to be on. See you later, Elizabeth. Bye. Nia left. Elizabeth liked it, Nia. She hoped to see her again. But then there was trouble on the way. Peter Sam was chuffing so fast with his delivery. Oh, I can't stop, I can't stop. Then it happened. Peter Sam had derailed it inside the tunnel. Oh dear, I need help. Now he had to wait for a while for some help. But then there was more trouble for another engine. Duke had crashed into the back of a shed. Fizzling fireboxes. I had crashed in the back of a shed, and I hope my passengers aren't hurt. Duke was pulling passengers during his crash. Luckily, they weren't hurt. But there is trouble. Soon, Thomas had heard the news. Oh no! Sir Topham Hatt won't be very happy about this. I must go see what Nia and those other little engines are doing. It wasn't long when Thomas had chuffed it off to the transfer yards. Is everybody all right? All right? What are you doing here? Nia rescued everybody. Oh, I was just coming to check and see how his work was doing. Work is going fine now. Nia had done her best. She is a really good friend and a really useful engine. Now, Thomas, don't you have other work to do, little blue tank engine? Instead of putting your nose into others' business? Thomas was getting fed up with Elizabeth's rudeness, but he ignored her. And he spoke to his friend. Nia, I just wanted to come check on you and see how things was going. Oh, everything is going good, Thomas. Thank you. Nia is a big, good helper. Yeah, she is. Thomas smiled, and everybody else smiled too.